This is Eureka Math, Grade 3, Module 3, Lesson 1, Exit Ticket. Let's look at our first problem. Erica buys some packs of rubber bracelets. There are 8 bracelets in each pack. How many packs of rubber bracelets does she buy if she has a total of 56 bracelets? P equals packs. Which equation matches the problem? So they're not asking us to solve this problem. They want to know what equation would show what we could use to solve the problem. Okay, so we're going to draw a tape diagram and write down what we know and the unknown. So let's start by drawing one unit, which is like a rectangle. Okay, what do we know? We know that there are 8 bracelets in each pack. So here's a pack, and here is 8 bracelets in each pack. We also know that there is a total of 56. So we know that there's 56 all together. Because we are solving for P is how many packs, we don't know how many packs there are. So what we are going to do is we're going to divide. This tells us that we know the total. When you know the total, that means you are dividing. So we're going to divide 56 divided by 8 equals P. Now, I don't see this problem over here in our choices. So what we can do is we can also turn this into a multiplication problem. If 56 is our total, that is the answer to our multiplication problem. So our multiplication problem would be 8 times P equals 56. We know that there are 8 in each pack, but we don't know how many packs there are, and we know that there's 56 total. So our answer to this would be 8 times P equals 56. Number 4. Erica buys some packs of rubber bracelets. There are 8 bracelets in each pack. How many packs of rubber bracelets does she buy if she has a total of 56 bracelets? She buys blank packs. Now here they are asking us to solve the equation, okay? So we don't know what P is. We are solving for P. 8 times P equals 56. And to solve this, we need to turn it into our multiplication problem. We have 56 total, and we're going to divide it by 8. How many packs do we have? So let's go to our tape diagram and let's work it out. Okay, so here's 8. What we're going to do is we're going to count by 8s until we get to 56. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, and 56. Okay, so how many packs is this? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 packs, so P equals 7. She buys 7 packs. Our last problem, number 5. Erica buys some packs of rubber bracelets. There are 8 bracelets in each pack. She has a total of 56 bracelets. After giving some bracelets away, Erica has 18 left. So how many bracelets did she give away? So let's start with what we know. We know that there are 56 bracelets total. We know that there are 18 left, okay, after she gives some bracelets away. We want to know how many bracelets did she give away. So we're going to do B for bracelets. So she gave them away. That means we're subtracting. 56 minus B equals 18. Let me erase that question mark. We're going to use the letter for the unknown. 56 minus B equals 18. So I'm going to draw a whole and 2 parts. So we know that there are 56 bracelets. Okay, and she gave some away that we're not sure how many, and there are only 18 left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 18 to find the missing unknown. Okay, so we're going to go 56 minus 18. This is a part whole. So these two parts make the whole up here. All right, so 56 minus 18. Can we take 8 away from 6? No, we cannot. So we have to go next door and borrow a 10. So that becomes 4 10s. Now we add 10 to 6, and that would be 16. So 16 minus 8 is 8. 4 minus 1 is 3. Oop, there's our answer, guys. 38. So B equals 38. But now, let's check it. Let's check our problem to make sure we did our math correctly. So 38 plus 18 should equal 56. If we did this correctly, these two parts should equal the whole, 56. So let's check it out. What's 8 plus 8? That is 16. So we'll put down our 6 and carry the 10. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. That's right, we did it. Yay! Okay, so our answer is 38. She gave away 38 bracelets and had 18 left. Good job, guys.